Greetings, I'm DBC Ekekwe. I will give an overview of the sixth edition of Tekidia Mini MBA. The program will begin on September 13th to end on December 6th of 2021. In Tekidia Mini MBA, we continue on the whole theme of innovation, growth, and digital execution. Essentially, we're looking at how companies can innovate, how companies can grow, and we are doing all within the operational redesign of bringing digital technologies across industrial sectors. Our program is designed for all industries: real estate, banking, fintech, construction, manufacturing, agriculture, and indeed anything that you can think of. We want to understand the mechanics of market system. We want to understand the elemental constructs that can actually make it possible for companies to go into the marketplace and win. So what we do in Tekidia Mini MBA is that we co-learn with our members, helping everyone to advance the efficiency on the utilization of factors of production. By utilizing those factors of production efficiently, we begin to create value in market system, unlocking vistas moments that companies can actually win and capture value in their territories. So our program is structured into purely 8 weeks parts, divided into different topics. And on the first week, we look at innovation. We look at also elemental construct of business growth. In the second week, we continue to do like that until we get to the 12th week. It's 100% online and it's self-paced, which means that you do not need to be on any assigned time period for you to have an opportunity of participating in our program. We have recorded videos, written materials, and cases. And then, of course, just because some of our members will have questions, we also have thrice weekly live sections on Zoom to make it possible for us to have interaction with members of our community. From leadership to accounting, finance, innovation, and strategy, Tekidia is structured to help you master these mechanics so that when you go back to your company or you go back to the business where you are working or you are starting something new, you have the necessary tools you need to advance. The cost is $140 or 50,000 Nigerian naira. You can also pay for annual package, which means 3 editions of Tekidia Mini MBA for the cost of 2. Our target audience is anyone that has actually finished secondary school education. It doesn't matter your industrial sector, it doesn't matter your functional area, it doesn't matter any domain or any geography where you are. We welcome everyone. We have more than 140 faculty members, and these experts come from Shell, Microsoft, Amazon. They come from FloraWave. They come from Nigerian breweries, InfoPrive, and some of the finest local and global companies you know about. And these entities are building great innovation, and we believe vividly that their executives helping to teach in Tekidia Mini MBA help us to bring practical components of how to run great businesses. Also, besides the Tekidia Mini MBA, we also have a homework review. In case you do not have, if you want, this is optional. You can pay $30 or 10,000 naira for us to review your homework. Besides many assignments during Tekidia Mini MBA, we have 3 core homeworks. These are comprehensive assignments that if you do them and we review them, they actually provide you deeper insights in what is happening in our program. We also have what we call capstone. It costs extra $60 or 20,000 naira. What a capstone does is helping you to take a research work on a chosen topic within the Tekidia framework. You must have attended, or you are attending, or you are about attending Tekidia Mini MBA for you to qualify for the Tekidia capstone. Think about the capstone as your final year project, where the Tekidia Mini MBA is your year 1 to year 4 or year 5, depending on your program in a typical university. We also have the advanced diploma programs. We have many tracks in that particular program. Of course, we have Tekidia Mini MBA for corporates and government. And then, of course, Tekidia Practice, which focuses on the practical field component with internship, making it possible that after the whole knowledge sharing within the educational framework of the Techidia Mini MBA, the Techidia Practice moves it further, giving people opportunity to do internships in companies that we work with and our partners. So our website is school.techidia.com, and you can see our full faculty. When you go there, you can also see testimonials from so many people from 38 countries that have actually sent representatives that are represented within Techidia Mini MBA. You can make payment at techidia.com/pay. We have PayPal there, we have bank transfer in Nigeria, FloralWave, Zelle, UBA Africas, even Bitcoin. We have different ways that you can make payment for Techidia Mini MBA. Everything is also in one page. If you go to techidia.com/MMBA6, you could see everything just in one page. We have made it that way to make it easy for people that don't like to check things on different web pages to get all the whole information in one page. At the end of the program, everyone gets a certificate, and our certificates are actually verifiable automatically. You just need to put the code that is embodied in that certificate on our website, and just like that, you can validate if that certificate was issued by Techidia Institute or not. So this is the overview of our weekly program. On Mondays, 12 noon Lagos, West African time, we release the courses. These are recorded videos, assignments, and labs as necessary. And then on weekends, the labs we have renamed it homeworks. On weekends, Saturdays, we have Techidia Live. And of course, also on weekdays, we also have Techidia Live, usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The homework is a review, the comprehensive what I've already explained, and there are always engagements and discussions in Techidia Hub. Techidia Hub is our Facebook, our dedicated Facebook. We created and built a mobile app, a learning, an ecosystem that makes it possible for our members to co-share and co-learn within a social media ecosystem that is dedicated for the Techidia Institute members. We also support career mentoring services. So if members have questions they want to learn more, they want to ask questions, we have a way of supporting them in those niches. And also, if you are involved in Techidia Mini MBA and you begin to come up with innovation, begin to come up with big ideas, Techidia AW partnership has a partnership with Amazon AWS. We give Amazon credit 1,000, 20,000, 15,000, 10,000, 15,000, making it as you grow in your business, as you grow in that execution, Techidia will be here to support you through the AWS credit. And of course, if you register on time, Techidia has 2 weeks, great weeks, special weeks. We have the Techidia Career Week and we have the Techidia Innovation Week. The dates for these programs are already posted on our website. So just go to school.techidia.com and see the dates. One is, I think, October, another one is in November. So what we do there is to explain what it's all about career, not necessarily getting jobs and applying for jobs, but are talking about career without those elements of jobs. And then innovation is how do we advance? How do we bring that efficiency? How do we deepen the competitiveness by creating new bases of competition in market system? So it's a very great program, and if you do the registration early, you get FA Cyber certificate program free. You also get our ebooks, and there, of course, you attend the 2 special weeks. Our contact is Techidia at fastmicro.com. I'm the lead faculty in WC Ekegwe. These are the 2 free books. If you beat the early registration, just ask for them. These are ebooks, the Dangote System, Techniques for Building Conglomerates, and then the Africa Sankofa Innovation. I want to welcome you to the best business school money can afford in continental Africa. Cost competitiveness is just unique. With 50,000 naira, $140, you have an opportunity of learning from directors in Microsoft, directors in MasterCard, directors, managing director, CEO of FloralWave, and some of the great companies and you will learn through this program over 12 weeks. I don't think there is anything or any better investment you can make on your career than investing in being a member and co-learning with us for this edition of Techidia Mini MBA. Registration is on and class will begin September 13th. I want to welcome you to the best business school that money can afford in continental Africa. Thank you.